Hey there, I'm going to show you really quick how to multiply 2 digits by 1 digit using what's called partial products. It's a term that's fairly new to kiddos and to you as parents, just because we didn't talk like that when we were in school, but I'm just going to give you a quick rundown. A product is what you get when you multiply, and the word partial, I tell the kids it has the word part in it. So a partial product is only part of the big product you're going to get. So you get 2 part products, and when you put them together, you will get your total product. So I'll show you what that means here in just a second. The example I'll use is 32 times 5. So we teach kids to decompose 32 into tens and ones. So this will break down into 30 and 2. So now you haven't multiplied by 5 yet. So you're going to take 30 and multiply it by 5 to get 150, as you know. And this is one of your partial products, okay? Then you're done with the 30, so you'll just do the 2 now. So then you'll do 2 times 5, and you'll get 10. So this again is one of your partial products. And when you put your 2 partial products together, by adding, you'll get your grand total, which is your product of 160. So if you watch, I'll kind of do the same thing using algorithm. It's just, it's the same, but you'll just see it somewhere else. So 32 times 5. So we have 2 times 5, which is 10, right? And that's where the 0 comes in, okay? Well, you know that, but that's where that comes in. So then really, since you're done using this 2, the ones place, this actually, when we were little, it was now just multiply 3 times 5. But for some reason, you wrote it here and here. Because even though 3 times 5 is 15, which is ones and tens, we wrote it here in the tens and the hundreds place. Because what you're really doing is multiplying 30 times 5, because you're not using that 2 anymore. You're not using the ones place anymore. So what you're really doing is, even though it says 32, you're actually multiplying 3 times 5. You're actually doing 30 times 5. So 30 times 5 is 150. But you have to add this extra 1, which is really adding a tens, which is where this 150 is right here. And then you add the 10. So really, 3 times 5 is 15, add 1 is 16. So really, 30 times 5 is 150, but add this 10, and you get 160. So here they match. One way we show this is how we do it. As adults, kids have been learning to do it this way. 32 times 5. So they've been learning to do 2 times 5, which is 10. Okay. I tell my kiddos, you're not using this 2 anymore. Turn it into a 0. So here you did 2 times 5 already, which is right here. And then now we do 30 times 5, which is actually right here. So 30 times 5 is 150. These are your partial products. So now you get 160. So when your kids are telling you that they're trying to multiply it using place value and you're not quite sure what they're meaning, what they really mean is they're decomposing the big numbers. So like 45 times 7. You can't decompose 7 because it's already in its ones. Like all you can do is have 7. But 45 has 2 place value spots. Your tens and your ones. So it's 40 and 5. So if they're saying I'm multiplying it using place value, what they mean is this. They're breaking down these big numbers to then multiply them easier.